Okay guys, we're going to be going over our Blizzard soap, 1000-to-1 dilution, and the reason it's called Blizzard is you'll see in a second, but it is highly, highly concentrated. It is a unique formula that pulls all the dirt off the panels, so it's also great as a pre-wash, and the foam is going to be something insane that you've never seen. And I'm going to also show you guys, because I see a lot of people fill up foam cannons on the internet wrong. I'm going to show you the proper way to fill up a foam cannon. So what you want to do with your foam cannon is fill it with your water first. And like I said, our Blizzard soap is 1000-to-1 dilution. So you can go right on the side of our foam cannon, see the dilution you need. That's all you need, guys. And you're ready to rock and roll. And this is why we call it Blizzard. You could see the thickness of Blizzard. I mean, this is thicker than shaving cream. Blizzard is also 100% safe on all ceramic or wax coatings.